Hi, in this video let's create a lightning button and place it on a Salesforce detail page. Before you get started, please make sure that you have downloaded the Apsona lightning component into your Salesforce org. The details for this lightning component is available on our website apsona.com under creating a lightning button for the lightning experience. You can download the component into production and developer orgs and into sandboxes as well. So once we have downloaded the component, we can get started. Let's go into Apsona and let's go into settings, merge actions. All the merge actions in my org show up here, and I want to create a button for a merge action called tax letter list. So let's look for it. And this is the merge action for which I want to make a button. So let me select that. And the details for the merge action show up on the right, the document and the data source and the record groups as well. So this has two sublists in the document. So let's start making the button by clicking on Make Button. Here I have a few options. If I click the drop down, I can place the button in any of these detail pages. I'm going to select detail page for account. And I want the button within Salesforce Lightning. So I select that and click the generate button. The code for the button is generated. So let's copy this and go into Salesforce. So here is the account detail page where I want the button. I might place the button somewhere here next to the news tab. So let's get started by clicking on edit page. And once this loads, we can get started. So I want it next to the News tab. So let's click here and create a new tab. And so let's add a tab here. And under Details, let's call it, let's select Custom and call it Tax Letter. And I'm done. And now I have a new tab here called Tax Letter. So now I scroll to the left side and look for the component, the lightning component. This is it. So I drag and drop the component in the Tax Letter tab. And once I do that, I see the action code box, which is where I'm going to paste the code which I generated from Apsona earlier. This was the code for the button. So I paste the code in the action code box, and let's rename this tab Tax Letter. And the prompt text is this will run the merge action. That's totally fine. And let's save this now. Activate it. And let's go back to the account detail page. There you have it, a new tab with a new button. So this was for the Adamson household. So let's test out the button. It says this will run the merge action, proceed. Let's download the results. And there you have it. This is the Word document for the Adamson household. And if you scroll down, you see all the lists and sublists which was needed. So this is how you create a lightning button with Apsona's document merge. Thank you for watching.